Ciao a tutti! Today we are making delicious pretzel breads. They have a golden brown crust and inside a soft center. It all starts with our overnight dough, slowly fermented for maximum flavor. With less yeast, it's not only delicious but also better for our digestion. In a large bowl, combine and mix all ingredients except the flour. Now work the flour into the mixture. Knead the dough to activate the gluten, ensuring that our pretzel bread has the perfect texture. Feel the dough transform under your hands as it becomes elastic and smooth. Cover the dough with a towel and let it rest at room temperature overnight or for a minimum of 10 hours. This slow fermentation process is the key to develop the rich flavor of our pretzel bread. The next day, cut the dough into small pieces and gently roll them into compact balls. Let them rest for about 5 minutes. In a pot, combine baking soda and filtered water, heating until it's hot. This alkaline solution is essential for achieving that classical pretzel flavor. Get ready to dip our dough balls for about 1 minute in this magical bath. Place the dough balls on a baking sheet and sprinkle them generously with your choice of seeds, for example black sesame, linen or sunflower seeds. Now bake the dough balls in the preheated oven for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Now comes the fun part, filling our freshly baked pretzel breads with delicious goodies. Start with a creamy cream cheese, followed by a slice of prosciutto, top it with a slice of parmesan and some arugula leaves. Enjoy it!